Pain. Pain. Pain is your best friend. I'm going to tell you why pain is your best friend, how it can boost and create new avenues of revenue for you, new avenues of opportunity for you as an actor. And it can actually improve your mental and physical health and your emotional well-being. How does pain do this? Why is pain your best friend? I'm about to tell you, so stay tuned and stay with me. P-A-I-N. Pain. Pain. What is pain? Pain is something that is uncomfortable. Pain is something that is not a welcome guest in your household, right? Right? We want to avoid pain and go over to pleasure. Avoid pain. Bye-bye, pain. I want pleasure. I want my comfort, right? Okay. So, but how can pain benefit you? How can pain benefit you? If you don't like pain, how do you get rid of it? Okay. P-A-I-N. 4. P-A-I-N. 4 letters that stand for something very, very important. And I'm about to share it with you and show you how you can take your pain to become a more successful actor, to become a more successful human being, to be more fulfilled and braver and stronger and overcome stage fright and anything else that is a challenge for you. You ready? All right, I'm about to tell you. So get a piece of paper and write these things down or remember them and visit this message again today. Okay, here we go. Pain is a form of discomfort. However, pain is an alert system. For example, if you have pain going before an audition, going before a casting director or an audition of some type, okay, even online, it can be a little dicey. It can be a little intimidating, right? Especially if you don't feel or believe in yourself, or if you're shy, different things like that. And it causes a certain amount of repelling, okay? I know I have to do this, but I really don't want to. I'm nervous about it. And well, I'm going to try my best anyway, right? Okay, I've been there. You've been there, I am sure. And if you're an aspiring actor, believe me, you'll experience this as well. When you have discomfort in your body, that's another type of pain. When you don't feel morally right and you haven't talked to God in a while and, you haven't kept up with that relationship or a relationship with your studies, or you're just feeling bad about yourself, about your work, about things, about your body. There's all kinds of pain, right? Agreed. However, pain, like I said before, can be a friend, a very dear friend to you. But you have to acknowledge it. I'm going to give you 4 ways to acknowledge it. P-A-I-N. Pain. Okay. So this is an acronym I made up years ago, and I thought it was pretty cool. And I thought about, what can I tell my students today and the people that are have subscribed to my channel? And here it is. Okay. You can use this immediately. Okay. All right. Enough of my talk. Here we go. P stands for persistent. What is persistence? Persistence is moving in one direction consistently. Persistence, right? You're moving in one direction consistently. With fluctuation, of course, because you're a human being, but you are still focused. You are still moving persistently in a direction. Okay? The second one, we're going to go over this again, but the second one is the letter A. Action. When you take action, lights, camera, action, then you're taking action to change something in your life, to change the way you feel, the way you think, your belief system, your relationships, personal and professional, your job, opening a new business online, okay, going to an audition, moving to a different state, A lot of my students are moving to California and Atlanta, Georgia. One in Texas. They're really, actually Texas, surprisingly enough, is really bouncing with activity for actors. So taking action persistently. So you're taking action, you're taking action persistently. All right. Now, the letter I. The letter I is very important because it's the opposite of the past. It stands for is. Is. Right? When something is, it's present. Okay? When your pain is with you, that's the present tense, right? It's not was, it's is. This is where you acknowledge, hey, you know what? I have to take some action persistently, stubbornly, in order to get out of this pain and into pleasure. Right? Okay. So is very important. We're going to give some examples. The letter N. The letter N. That is needed. Now, there is a difference between wants and needs. If you want something, I want an ice cream. I want a vacation. I want a big screen TV. I want a bigger house. I want more success and more opportunities for acting. And that's good. It's a desire, right? But a need is something you must have. I must find a bathroom because I ate something didn't agree with me. I must have some water because I am really thirsty and this bicycle ride is, I got to have some water, otherwise I'm going to pass out. Okay. I need rent to pay so I can have peace of mind. So the pain will go away. I need, your needs are different than wants. This is where persistence comes in. Persistence. Okay. I need to make action and be persistent about it because it's needed now. Is needed now. So you have, let's put it together. You have persistent action is needed. Now, you may, if you're anything like me at times, I tend to ignore pain. I've done that before. It's not a good thing. Okay. Can you think of any film right now, actor, actress that you admire in a particular film, in a particular scene, where they did not pay attention to their pain and they suffered for it and people around them suffered with them, okay? Because they didn't address their pain. They didn't consciously address their pain. And that caused what? More pain, right? Now, of course, that's a script, okay? Life doesn't have a script, although you can write one for yourself. So I want you to pay attention to pain. Pay attention to the pain of not achieving, not creating. And we all have done this, okay? If we focus on our pain, we're going to do something to get away from it and into pleasure, into what we really desire in our lives. I'll give you an example, okay? I'm writing a book. I'm writing a book. Now, it's a book for actors. And it's, I'll tell you what, it's a lot of work. Anybody out there that is writing a book or thinking about writing a book or writing a script knows what I'm talking about. It's a very lonely road at times. It's you and your computer. It's you and your note taking. And it's 3 people all together, me, myself, and I. Okay. And it can be a little bit lonely. And that causes pain, doesn't it? It does. So how do you finish a book? Just one example. How do you finish a book? You're persistent and you take action because it is needed for you to succeed and to be fulfilled and write that book and finish it and publish it and put it out there for other people to read and to enjoy and to learn from, right? Exactly. So you have to focus on why you're doing something. This is how, it's a little bonus part of this video. This is how you move from pain to pleasure, okay? You have pain, but you want to get to pleasure. You want to get your goal. You want to create your goal and achieve it, right? Okay, so the answer lies in the word why. When you have something and you have to ask yourself, why do I want this? Why is it so important for me to finish my, my book, my script, my move to a different state? Your why, the bigger your why, the easier it is for your how to materialize, to manifest itself. Your why is the escape from, how do I say this? Your why helps you help you find your way out of the maze of your pain and into pleasure. It shows you how to do something. Your why comes from your heart. Your why comes from your heart. Okay. And that gives you enough reason to move into your pleasure, which is how you do it. There'll be more. I'm going to do another video on how and why in more depth. But right now, I'm going to say subscribe and like and share this video. I appreciate your time. I hope you got something out of it today. Okay. And if you did, comments below. And check out my other videos. And I have some links down below too of my 2 other channels. And I hope you got something from this. So I'm going to say bye-bye now. Okay. Remember, embrace your pain. And remember the 4 steps. Persistent action is needed.